Okay, time to take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET Super Strong Magnetic Cell Phone Holder. Okay, cool. So we got a little carrying pouch. Oh, that's interesting. You got some 243 thread locker. That's pretty neat. So if you want to bolt that thing on, make sure it's not going to come off, we can use that. We got the magnet itself, and it looks like a 1/4-20 thread on the top, and we can see our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 magnets on the bottom. Each of these are very heavy-duty magnets, so all 6 of them together are going to be able to hold on no problem. We got a tether. It actually has an interesting clip style on there. It's pretty cool. So if you want to put this on your wrist, you can choke that up, lock it down. That's pretty cool. And this is the phone mount. So we can see we got a nice ball head on here, and we can get that to rotate down full 90 degrees. And then when we want to, lock that down, and that is nice and solid. So that's awesome. So this phone holder is all metal, but it does have rubber padding on the top and bottom to protect your phone. It just springs out and then clamps on. And spin this guy off. We do have a rubber pad here on the bottom, so that's going to help to lock it down. And then we are threaded on the bottom as well as the back, so we can lock this on like that, depending on our preferred orientation. Cool. Let's go ahead and attach the magnet, and I want to make sure this doesn't come off, so I'm going to use the thread locker. It doesn't take a lot, just a couple of drops. And we can spin that on. And typically give that 24 hours to set and it'll be ready to go. But really, as long as you tighten that up, it's not going to be a problem. So now, drop our phone on and we are ready to go. That opens up wide enough to hold my phone with the case. So that's awesome. What's cool about this too, because I can take this off, if I have like a GoPro mount or something like that, I can just use that 1/4-20 mount, put whatever the heck I want to on there, and I got a nice strong magnetic 1/4-20 ball mount. That is an awesome kit.